Hey, I'm Andy Thompson with Cedar Siding Repair, and we just finished the exterior renovation on this home here in Enon, Ohio. So this homeowner had peeling paint on his entire house, and that's a big problem. They had contractors offering to put vinyl siding over top of the cedar. They had other contractors that told them they just needed to take all the cedar off and replace it with hardy board. And he called us and he said, hey, do I have another alternative, because neither of those really is something I want to pursue. So we came out and we had determined that the coating that was on the cedar had just failed prematurely, but the actual boards themselves were not beyond repair. The boards themselves were actually in very good shape. So we came through for a day and we just replaced some of the boards that were bad. It wasn't the entire house. It was only about 10 boards that needed to be changed out. And then we spent a day and a half sanding off the previous coatings on all these boards. So we got our orbital sanders, we used 40 grit sandpaper for roughs on cedar, and we sanded all of these boards down to the bare wood. We then applied 2 coats of peel bonding primer and another 2 coats of Benjamin Moore Regal flat finish to this entire home. And as you can see, this is just a beautiful, beautiful job that our team has done. They've worked very hard for the past 7 days to make this a reality for these homeowners. And the homeowners can expect this paint job to last about 10 or 12 years, but they will not deal with any more peeling issues because they have invested so heavily into sanding those old coatings off of the cedar boards, applying the right primers and the best products from Benjamin Moore. And we are so fortunate they chose us to be a part of this project. So if you have a similar situation, if you have peeling paint on your home, you don't want to tear all the cedar off, you don't want to put vinyl over top of it, call one of our offices anytime. One of our project managers will come out and discuss with you the best way to take care of your cedar, and we'd love to be a part of your project if you'd have us. So hey, thanks again for watching our video, and call us anytime.